former Sullivan County high school teacher is working to appeal his dismissal from the school system. Thanks for joining us. I'm Sarah Diamond.
And I'm Casey Marler. Today's court appearance comes nearly 3 years after the incident that led to his dismissal. Former Sullivan Central high school teacher Matthew Hawn was reprimanded over materials he presented during his contemporary issues class in 2021. The case stems from Hawn reportedly sharing an article with his class related to white privilege and later showed a spoken word poem that included profanity.
He was ultimately fired for insubordination. News Channel 11's Clarice Shaley was in court today where Hawn continued to appeal the case that led to his dismissal.
Yeah, Matthew Hawn wants his dismissal appealed. He tells me he still even wants to work for Sullivan County Schools, even years after his dismissal, because he says this place is his home. But along with his appeal, he and his attorneys are asking for his full salary to be paid in the period since his dismissal. Now, within the about 6-hour-long hearing, both sides argued around two main points. Were Hawn's actions insubordinate, and was his dismissal appropriate? Hawn's attorney argues that he did not act inappropriately and was not insubordinate, saying he didn't deprive other students of opposing viewpoints. His attorney even says he did not violate the state's code of conduct, which only requires teachers to allow access to other materials, not provide them.
So let's not elevate his unintentional failure to completely mute every profane word in Ms. Lacey's poem.
While the school system and Board of Education's attorney argues that Hawn was insubordinate, that he didn't provide those opportunities for students to find other viewpoints and continue to act against the administrative's wishes. And there were plenty of people in the audience, and the plaintiff's attorney mentions they're in attendance because standards matter to them.
Not because of the presidential election, not because of all these other issues that everybody can keep trying to bring up. It's because standards matter and they should be followed by teachers in this community.
Now, 4 witnesses took the stand, 2 members of the county's school system's administrative staff, and 2 called upon experts in social studies secondary education to speak on Hawn's practices. And the judge told the courtroom she wants to give all of this information a lot of thoughtful and careful consideration. She wants to release that opinion within the next 60 days and will try for the end of October, beginning of November. In Bristol, Tennessee, Clarice Shaley, News Channel 11.